Hello, Tanya.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. And what
Oh,
about you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. Lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And is
Yeah.
my voice clear? Is it
Yes.
well?
Yeah. Yes.
That's
Good. Can you
great.
hear me okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Perfect.
And
Perfect.
because it's very, very necessary in conversation for voice clearance, right?
Absolutely.
Where
Nice,
are
clear
you from,
voice.
Tanya?
I am in London. I'm from London.
Okay. Oh, so right now you're in London?
I am. Yes. Yes. And
Ah.
you? Is it Anju? How do you pronounce your name?
I don't know why several teachers made a mistake to pronounce my name. Actually, it's Anuj, A-N-U-J, Anuj.
Anuj.
Yeah,
Ah, fantastic. Fantastic.
yeah. But
And
looks like Anju. Does it look
Anuj.
like Anju?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. My pronunciation is poor. Where
No,
are
no,
you?
no. It's okay.
Where are you?
Just sometimes it's vision mistake.
Yeah.
And yeah. By the way, I'm from India.
India.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Whereabouts?
In India, you mean?
Hmm?
Actually, I'm from Bihar, which is very close to Nepal, right in the south of
Oh,
Nepal.
is it very beautiful there?
Yeah, I can say.
Yeah. Is it beautiful?
Yeah, it's greenery around and fields and a lot of mango trees you will get to see.
Wow. That's
Yeah,
amazing.
fields area. Uh, Far and wide, you can see greenery and fields, different types of crops, and it's monsoon time now.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe you are aware of this term,
Yes.
monsoon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's basically rainy season we have.
Rainy but still warm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At the same time, warm too.
Nice.
But I am in Southwest right now. I'm not in Bihar actually. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, I'm in the state called Karnataka, which is close to Goa, if you know.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. I've
Goa,
been to Goa.
Kerala.
I've been to Goa on a holiday.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
Well, tell me that, first of all, how was your day?
It was good, thank you. Thank you for asking. It was so interesting. It's yeah, it was a good day. I've been on here. I work in a hospital as well.
Oh,
So
okay.
I've been there. Yeah. How has your day been?
It was good. I came
Mhm.
from work little late, and then I took a shower, and I was like, mm, I have to join the session at time. According to my
Good.
time, 8:45 p.m. The lesson started.
Okay.
So
So
right
that's
after taking a shower,
2:50. That's 4:15 in the afternoon over here.
your time,
Hmm.
right? 4:15, which means it's like mm, almost 3 hours and 30 minutes time difference.
Nice. Nice. What did you do for work during the day?
Okay, so I went to work, and basically I'm doing civil engineering work.
Okay.
So yeah, so I'm working for Indian Railway at this time, and
Okay.
um, my working location is near a village where we are doing the electrification in railway. So
Okay.
yeah, so we need to make control room building which controls electricity. So these days we are making them, okay,
Yeah.
and other types of foundations as well. Uh, and yeah, so these things civil engineering works. So we are doing here,
It's a
and
big project.
very big, very big.
Big project. Big project. That's important for the infrastructure, you know.
Yeah, project across the nation, not only in a state. Actually.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So your
that
section of the railway that you're constructing at the moment, is that